Today we're going to show you how to make a UFO bag. Here's the parts. As you can see, bin bag liner, a few copper strips, and firelighters. Any firelighter will do. Now I'm going to show you how to make one. How big are these? Something, get your bag. Open it. Open. Get your copper bar.
2 pieces.
Two pieces. Get 2. Simply get the bag by either end.
Put them in the cross.
So tie one bit of copper bar end to that end. Right. So we get your 2 strips. Make sure they're dead on in the middle. Have a little zoom in on that. So once you got it like that, you start crossing it around. So you get something like this, what I made earlier. So you get that. So then you tie that to your bag. So you tie it to the end, and what I've done here is I've simply got the copper wire. I got it quite far down, and start weaving it in and out. You give it a good grip so it doesn't burn the bag. And simply twist the end, but try and leave as much copper wire on, as length as you can.
You need the width across the bag.
Good. Ready. Once the 3 things are in place and you've got one left to go to the F corner, simply get your firelighter, zip original, anything you'd like. Poke the copper wire through the firelighter, and then same again, right far down, leave in and out. This is so the plastic doesn't melt when it's going up in the air.
It falls off about 50 foot.
Yeah, it falls off at 50 foot. Here we go. Simply, that should be made now. All it is now is down to the extra.
Well, let's light it.
So then, get your bag, all thing at the top, firelighter at the bottom. Can't bloody see. Do you like to like that? By now, you wait till the bag starts blowing up with the hot air. There you go. Now, you tell me that ain't a UFO. See you later, E.T. He's finally going home. Oh no.
Ooh.
It's got past the wind bit, hasn't it?
Oh.
I know.
You see how far that's gone.
It's usually ideal to do it better on a non-windy day. But today's been a bit of a wind stopping it going up. But usually they go up to 50 feet or more.
Now, is that a UFO or what?
You tell me, that ain't a UFO.
That ain't no UFO.
Shit, we stick the cap in your ass.
And there you go. The bin bag balloon.
See you later, E.T. E.T.'s gone home.
Well, this thing will just keep
Yeah,
going.
people looking at it. Yeah.
Do you think it is UFO?
They've already got the people going on.
Can't see it there, no.